For turkey work today, I'm going to use a full 6 strands of embroidery thread with a size 22 DMC chenille needle. I'm going to begin by coming up through my shape and making a small loop on the top of my fabric. I'm going to hold this with one hand and then make a small securing stitch near my loop to secure it in place. And I'm going to repeat this process, creating a loop, and securing the loop with a small straight stitch. It's important that you secure each loop after creating it so your thread doesn't come out of your fabric at the end of this stitch. So I'm going to repeat this process until my entire shape is full of these little loops. Once my entire shape is full, I'm going to knot the back of my fabric and begin trimming all of the loops until there are none remaining. Now I'm taking this Clover felting tool, you can find the link for it below, and I'm going to rough up all of my thread to create a fuzzy texture. All I'm doing is separating all of the strands to make them fuzzy and fine as they possibly can be. When I'm finished, I like to go trim excess thread that's a little bit too long. And there you go. Thanks for joining me.